Using Burp Suite to parse 5G core APIs involves capturing and analyzing the API traffic between network functions in the 5G core architecture. While Burp Suite doesn't have a dedicated extension for 5G APIs out of the box, you can customize it or use existing tools to achieve the desired results. Here's how you can parse 5G core APIs using Burp Suite effectively. Setting up Burp Suite for 5G core API parsing. Configure Burp Proxy. Set up Burp Suite as a proxy to capture HTTP/HTTPS traffic. Ensure all 5G core API traffic flows through Burp, for example, by configuring a mobile network emulator or an NF simulator. Enable HTTPS decryption. Add the Burp CA certificate to the system or device handling 5G core API traffic to intercept encrypted communications. Capture API calls such as NUDM, NSMF, NPCF, etc. Identify API requests. Look for typical 5G core API request patterns. Endpoints like /nowsef auth /v1 or /npcf sympolicy control /v1. JSON payloads in post or put methods. Auth2 bearer tokens in the authorization headers. Extending Burp Suite for 5G core API parsing. Option 1, use built-in features. JSON parser, view JSON payloads in the HTTP message editor with the JSON tab. This helps in visualizing API request and response payloads easily. Custom match and replace. Create rules to highlight specific API endpoints, headers, or parameters relevant to 5G core APIs. Option 2, install relevant extensions. JSON Beautifier, install from the BAP store to format and analyze JSON payloads efficiently. Burp Collaborator or Logger++. Use Logger++ for detailed logging of all 5G core API requests and responses. Option 3, custom extension for parsing. Develop a custom Burp extension to parse and process 5G core API traffic. Here's how. Language, use Python, Java, or Ruby, supported by Burp Extender. Goal, automatically identify and parse key 5G core API patterns, for example, specific endpoints, headers, payload structures. Writing a Burp extension for 5G core parsing. Here's an example in Python Jython for a basic parser. This script identifies 5G core API responses and prints JSON payloads to the console. You can expand it to handle specific APIs like NUDM or NSMF. Analyzing 5G core API traffic in Burp. Look for key data points. Headers, OAuth tokens, content type, 5G specific headers. Payload, analyze JSON structures for fields like SUPI, authentication type, etc. Responses, inspect response status codes, error messages, or extracted data. Automate parsing, use Burp's extensions or scripts to parse and extract relevant data fields automatically, saving time in large-scale testing. Benefits of Burp Suite for 5G core API testing. Visual representation, simplifies the review of request-response structures. Custom scripting, allows building tailored parsers for 5G core standards. Integration, combines seamlessly with other Burp tools like Repeater, Intruder, or Scanner for deeper testing. Would you like a fully developed Burp Suite extension for parsing specific 5G core APIs or guidance on testing any specific API?